Okay, action. What did we do today, RJ?
We made a volcano and made Oh, I forgot to do this.
What do you have in your hand, RJ?
Volcano.
You made the volcano? What's your name?
RJ,
Okay, what are we doing today?
we're making a volcano.
What is the volcano made out of?
A lava sometimes.
No, but what are those? What are those?
Legos.
They're made out of Legos?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do?
Gonna make it explode.
Have you tried this before?
No.
Where have you seen it?
On the movie.
Alright, what are we gonna use to make it, RJ?
Yes.
You gotta say it loud though.
Say it loud. We're gonna get baking soda and make it.
Okay. There's Ray. Move over, Ray. Okay.
And we got some water and
Hold on.
oil.
Pour that in the cup. Pour all of it in the cup. Pour all of it in the cup. All of it in there.
This is dish soap.
Okay. What is that?
Water.
Okay.
Five drops.
Five.
5 drops. Turn it upside down.
What is that, RJ? Is it red color?
Squeeze drop. 1.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Mix it. Not yet, right? Yet.
Okay.
Okay, what are we gonna add last, RJ? What is this?
Vinegar.
We're gonna put vinegar in there? Over back, Ray.
Baby, move over here, baby. Watch. Stay over here. Watch. Watch.
Whoa.
You don't have to keep going.
Over back, RJ.
It burned.
Over back, Ray. Come on.
Oh no.
It's
The
burning.
person. What about the person? Oh no.
Everything's burning. Everything's burning up. Everything's burning. Everything's burning up.
What happened, RJ?
Everything burned up.
What came out?
Lava.
Look, it's falling into the cracks.
Pour some more.
What is that?
Yeah, so we came out here today. Wanted to try out an experiment. There's a park near the house that has a big slab that we like to go to try stuff out. But stay tuned. Like I said, we got more videos coming out. Like and subscribe. And boys are gonna have more videos coming out. I'm gonna have videos coming out. We'll just see what's going on. With everything going on right now, everything's a lot of stuff are still locked down, but we're trying to get out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.